Alright guys, what's going on? We are finally able to get back to the Civic now. We had a little bit of issues along the way, but I'm getting ready to pull the engine and transmission out to be sent out to get built. Alright, let's take care of that. Take care of that side. So, those lines disconnected. Just like that. Yeah, so that little line's disconnected. So now it's just a matter of unbolting this, and this entire manifold will come right off. We got the other two sensors undone. I'll put this cap back on here. Okay. That's what's left of my dipstick too, by the way. I gotta get a new one of those. There you go, that works too. Drop from the bottom just like I wanted it to. Sweet. That's perfect. Alright. Okay, so now see, we'll get you guys first in it. Alrighty. Now here's gonna be the fun part, folks. Let's see if this works. just see here. That very well could do it. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the radiator too, because that could be a small obstacle that can cause a huge problem. I mean, it's already basically disconnected here up top. So that's good there. So get a little bit of clearance on the back side. That's good. So this actually might work. I should be able to unbolt it, pull it towards the front, and then bam, she's out. And I unbolted at the motor mounts that were not at the frame itself, but at the motor. This is becoming cool, like really awesome. Here we go. Okay. We'll let him down some. Okay, it's resting in the cradle now. That's good. It's very good. Now there's resting on that side. Now the entire front is being supported by that. catching. Okay. Recap. Disconnected. 2 over there. Disconnected. Power steering line's not going anywhere. That's disconnected. In fact, I'm going to end up getting rid of that line. So you got anything else? Hell yeah. Look how freaking cool it works. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, boo-boo. Cool. It's almost there. Almost strong enough I can do that. Whew. Almost there. Almost there. I literally have a few more inches to go. If this thing wasn't so darn tall, I probably could have had it. finally back. Unfortunately, Mother Nature decided she wanted to rain on me, which I expected it. But I managed to get the engine out with the transmission and all that jazz. Probably took me, I want to say, maybe a couple hours to do it because I had a little bit of a hurdles. But I managed to do all this without using an engine hoist. I managed to jack up one side of the vehicle to get a pineapple off the ground and slide it through the channel on the passenger side. So as of right now, you guys can see it's starting to rain again, and just got everything cleaned up, good to go. Tomorrow morning I'm going to come back out here again at the crack of dawn and disassemble the engine itself, lay everything on out and load the block up in the back of the truck, and head straight to Rameyville and have him sleeve the block for me. Anyways, folks, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update showing that I was not trying to, or that I was indeed trying to knock this thing out. I probably started this about maybe 3 o'clock today, and it's now maybe 6 or so. I'm not too sure. So I want to say it took me about 3 hours to take the car. It was already over there running and driving. Drove it over here. I completely tore the engine transmission out of it, and here we are. So yeah, definitely. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow.